want to do is you want to go to Bluehost. Then you want to click on Get Started Now. Then there's three different plans here, and what I would do is pick the cheapest because you're just starting out, so it's not going to break the bank, or you probably don't need a lot of these features like on the Plus and the Prime. You just want to get started. So I would just go ahead and select the cheapest basic plan, which is $3.95 per month. And then here you want to pick your website. So this one's mine. So if you pick one that's already taken, it's going to take you to this screen here, big yellow screen. You cannot pick this domain, right? So if you pick a different one, more than likely this one's not taken. So then you click next. And what's going to happen is it's going to take you to this screen here. So you fill out everything here, everything here, and then you go to package information. And here you're going to pick your plans, whether it's going to be 12-month, 24-month, 36-month. Now, if you look at the prices here, let's pick a 12-month for now. I would just delete this one or uncheck this one and uncheck this one. You can always add these later if you want. I always pick domain privacy protection because you're not going to get any junk at home or in your inbox or anything like that. It's all going to go to Bluehost, okay? So I would just leave that checked. So if you look at the price here, it's $77.28 for 12. So once you choose which plan you want, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and hit payment information, and you're going to fill in your credit card information, and then you're going to check down here where it says I have read and agreed to Bluehost privacy policy and terms and service. Okay, so that's good. Then you're going to click submit. Then you're going to make your username and password, okay? Once you get your username and password, then you're going to log in to the Bluehost, your Bluehost account, okay? And so I'll let you do that, and then I'm going to go to my next screen, which takes me to the panel, which is the same screen that you are going to get once you log in, okay? You're going to create your username and your password, and this is what you're going to get. Take you to this screen, and you can see over here, this is my, and then you're going to go to where it says website. Where did it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's up here. Website, and then you're gonna install WordPress, okay? And it's right here. You're gonna install WordPress. Click here and install WordPress. Once you install it, and it's not gonna let me do it here because I'm logged in and I already have it installed, okay? So you're gonna install WordPress, and then it's going to put it onto your Bluehost account, okay? And it's super simple, so it's as simple as that, okay? So once you do that, it's going to have it on there. So I'm going to have a link at the bottom here, and it's going to be my Bluehost affiliate link. So if you want to click on that, like I said earlier, it would be greatly appreciated.